Welcome to Pass and Move, your number one soccer podcast in the land, proudly brought to you by Ibenaya Foods, our number one sponsor. And by the way, we've got a new partner, Sia Collections. Eke yasigqokisa bathe basalungisa bazabuya besithi besizame futhi. And I'm your host Archford Hadebe, and I'm with my partner in crime, Crispin Machizi Toby.
Awufaham mntana.
Zaytin.
Hamba.
I'm Nansha Brom.
Bathini.
Antakwazi. Ngama-Monday vele.
Ngama-Mondays mntana.
Monday always having fun
Yeah.
dissecting the Zimbabwean football
Yes.
across board asikhethi
Yeah,
mhlobo.
yeah. Asikhethi. Yonke indawo ama-viewers bekwazi konke okwenzakeleyo.
Clean.
Iviki yonke
No
mntana.
pressure.
Ngapha kunenge.
Kuyafiwa. But ushabu ukuthi
Amna ngishabu mina. Oniswi.
thina ma
Eish. Ndoda.
awagijima ijeli.
Ndoda. Izimba vele sujayele la ukuthi usuhlukumezwa lo.
Awagijima ijeli mthana.
Ake sokunzima ndoda sasisitika.
Ufana baphila. Machiza yaphila. If you did not watch ongekho eChiefs Village, akutshelwe ukuncitshwa. Ngizakutshela nxa ule fixture eChiefs Village come through uzobona ukuthi indoda lo ugijima njani. Awusagijima. Akutshela mangakwazi.
Yeah.
Remember uyagijima lo.
Aba
Before we get into it, Toby, sibone nje impela viki uthi ibisiphathele
isiphathile. Hey kunenge mntana. Kunenge.
because I understand there's a lot.
Akakhulu.
Bese mana singakangeni ngiqale ngikhayele kulamanye ama comments angichazileyo. Please guys, siyabonga njani. We appreciate you guys.
Akakhulu.
Singaba yini ngaphandle
Akule
kwabalandeli because yakho ngabona usuyenza something.
Kungela muntu okhomentayo kungelani ndoda vele lawe iveveli yaphansi. Siyagcina manje uthupha ngidala namhla singayenzi.
So there was one interesting comment engayibonayo. Vela ku Ivan Chitambara. Ivan Chitambara, I think is one of our new subscribers. Thank you for following us, Ivan Chitambara, and we appreciate your comment. Remember in the BSS Kruma ukuthi squad seKhosafa bayenzelani so this comment really caught my eye. Uthi Ivan Chitambara, while I see the logic of playing under 20 players for Khosafa, the approach sidelines the not so young but better performing players in the league who deserve to be rewarded for their better performances.
Exactly.
Historically, some of the better players in the league have impressed scouts and moved to South Africa and improved and widened the proper national team pool. This approach denies them the chance.
Umuntu nguyebhora lo. Ukhuluma yabona yiliqiniso elikhona. Uyabona for the past years mdala ama players amaningi eZimbabwe kade dlala eSouth Africa. Ngenxa yeKhosafa because usithi if you perform well ushushu uhamba. Onox bahamba ngayo iKhosafa. Abaningi bahamba ngayo iKhosafa. But you look at now ama players eZimbabwe asedlala eSouth Africa, they are now few. Because if you perform well national team ungakadlali futhi it's another thing abakuthatha. Uyabona. So I think shout out to the guy.
Yeah, we really appreciate ama comments afana lawo. Then kulo munye othiwa nguThando Dupes. Uzibiza Dupes webhoso. Hayi la ngabanye lo manje uthanda Pass and Move ngoba uyabe yinayo. So uthi yena our voices are being heard because of your channel. Islanders iyasichila umoya. We'll get into that part. Just reading the comments that I'm seeing on the channel, which shows people are really appreciating what and
they will grow ngaba abantu laba.
We understand. So we really appreciate you guys. Siyabonga. Please keep on share
subscribe.
You understand?
Kakhulu.
Besilandele la.
Yeah. Khona siyakhula la then.
Kakhulu mntana. Kule game edlalwe yama legends ama legends abahambe eBotswana.
Ngizothatha tournament le vele silabo 4 years senza.
Mina nami
Nami ngiyethukile phela ngizothatha 4 years and South Africa
wonke. Nami
mangene kathi kulama game nje kati vele every year.
Abo member.
But
it's a good initiative.
Kakhulu.
Wenza umember labo singabakhohlwa.
Exactly. Just ngikwana ukuthi even ama-kids akho ubonile tracksuits proper ndoda. It's nice clean.
Ngithemba ubona mdala
la uyobona
bathethe bambisele emuva. Even though kulamanye nje ama legend asebekhongu. But not everyone is a legend.
Really, not everyone is
you might be a soccer legend, but not a legend
for ilizwe.
You understand? Maybe ungaba yi-soccer legend overall. Wena maybe ube yi-legend ye-certain team.
Exactly.
Because in this case ngamale Warriors legends. But abanye
dlale 2 games 3
football legend but lingaphonga uchamva phela baye.
Maybe semalutshwane phela. Andabe semalutshwane abanye maybe abasakwanini.
Urongo khona kana iko stress bona umagaya. Ana kumagaya abadala
kuma
legends.
Bayadlala ke.
Asakwazi baba edlalana. iBrazil zibuye zimbi.
iBrazil.
Waqina
guys esithatheli.
Kumele sizikhuluma into lezi. Singabi lenhloni ukukhuluma ivalo. Kumele sibatshele ukuthi hayi lo wayisu Oscar Machapa so legend. Ilama Warriors. Engabe le legend le Bora. Not Elama Warriors. Because ama football legends
mani akakhulu.
And we cannot deny ukuthi you are a football legend.
Understand?
But you are not a Warriors legend.
So
singaqambela namanga. uMachapa singamqambela amanga.
Siyafika isikhathi sakhe. So laba sebengani sebephumile.
Sikaze sifike. Njengoba kulabanye ama Warriors legends. Omnetsi
basengama legend.
Umsona basengama legend. Ama Warriors
legend.
But abakabi ngama Warriors legend.
Kathi ayiqinile.
Ngoba singeze imqambele Masimba Dinero sithi Masimba Dinero uya Warriors legend. We are Dynamos legend.
Lapha bona sina I think is be ukuthi i legend le Bora.
You understand? If benze njalo.
But I think criteria ungahluthi Warriors legend is another story.
Yes. But ilena apho ibonini?
Angiyibonile.
Amabizo bekufiwa
amabizo bekuhanjwa.
Bekuhanjwa. Mbona iZimbabwe udabo Kapini, eBediki, lo Bram Machapa la ukhona lapha. Method Mwanjali, Dumisani Mpufu, eZonyanduru, Nengomasha, Peter Ndlovu, Punjira, Luphahla, Edward Satomba, Willard Katsande, Mzadzi Dina, Ajensa Umaringwa, Ronald Sibanda, Masimba Dinero, Lozenzo Zemura. Abekufiwa ngamabizo.
Abekuhanja amabizo akhona.
Bazithaphile.
Bese sididiwe. Dala zacina azahambe ejimu manje.
Yikuthi bezevuya
azahambe ejimu. Ekhona umuntu ungaba yi-legend sokumele umelele ukuthi azahambe ejimu.
Bemvubuya khona.
Azahambe ejimu uhambe ejimu 30 minutes ejimu man.
Ubona ama legends
endazulu ubona ukuthi zonke vele zifitho chabalala ngani zisadlala la kade.
Jabupule mdala.
Mdala.
Metu Boots.
Ndoda. Bafitho Megan Gould jawonta. Sebelethete bathi. Bonke vele olejo lenyana ngikhuluma vele usungampika.
But ukhune bamqila. Hayi ukhulu yakhulela abaningi egoli. Akutshela nganga.
Ukhune vele lokhe nguwe.
Hayi
ukhune vele lokhe nguwe nje. Lokhe nguwe.
So by the way, that was the Warriors Legends games that we played in Botswana. We saw in South Africa, Idlama Warriors, I think 4-1.
4-1.
Then we also lost, and that was just Deliro Abona Mipi, Ama Legends Abona Mipi. We also lost the third and fourth playoff to Inamipi.
Inamipi.
It's 4-3.
Eish, my dude. Because it's our team. Because ngabe Bora bonke bona laba. Abantu bethu laba ngabe Bora bonke. But clean. Ukuthi proper la ngathi gym wathwa than ungabuyo ngama tournament lokho how you play.
Uyabo babona uDiki bafit.
Very fit.
Omdala
bafit. Bafit.
But be revo ngabo Chabalala.
Lamana ndoda. Abana ku relax phela uTshabalala nje every day yabe se training.
But iZimbabwe engavumi proper zisadlala zona lezi ezingonyanduru.
Lezi azitrainer.
Zazingavumi.
I think sesadina zathena kakhulu.
Hayi. So ngaba le legend ya relaxa.
Ukuthi hayi bana ngiyempumbu.
Hey waba mnandi ukuthi ama legends la nxa singathola ke sihlale ke sizwe izitori
zawo yakwazi phonga ubuza maybe 2 hlale nje sizwe ukuthi kathi uhamba njani mfowethu.
Jeka how I wish ukuthi even ama legends asilayo lapha kobula alengqondo njeka uJohannes Chuma Samachu. Umdala lona you always be
ithob when
umdala ngakukholisa nje. Yabona uJohannes Chuma uNkulunkulu abelaye nje. Umdala sathayisana lokuzeni eluvivi sabona ichicken. Mdala laphana yazi ulove ukuthi umdala wathi nginaji.
Exactly.
Vele kumoja asenze moja. Hey.
But mina I think uyabona I platform le yani it's good. Abantu abaningi abakwazi ama players abo. Uyabona thina sikwazi udlala kuphela. Into what you go through, what into zazisenzakala, uyabona to encourage laba abafana abancane abasakhula ukuthi but into ezinje so ziyatholakala eBhoreni because kwesinye isikhathi umfana uyabona ngani ukuhlala ebhenchini is the end of career, ungabhiwa lokwana uyabona into lezana uyabona ngani nqambhiwa so what's the use yokutrain, what's the use yokudlala ngasafake futhi. But ngabona umuntu wakwenzayo yani emtshela ukuthi mfana nami into ezikhona lezi wena omele ukwenze, keep your head high only. Uyabona isikhathi siyanjani siyafika.
Uyabona into ekhulumayo so profound ngenxa ukuthi ngathi sesixoxa nje ngalo menze sithi mina dobi mina ndi 2K but umdala stories zakhe lezi sebezayire lezi what mdala labo kwakukha. Yabona uyeza ukuthi umuntu is learning something into lezenza ngale eBhoreni
very even in life into ngikhona la uyabusukwazi in life I must not give up.
You understand
lamhla ngabe udown kusasa yakwanza uvunja so
if you haven't watched ikhona episode ka Johannes Chuma, one of our soccer legends, wafundisa kakhulu. You can find it in ku channel kona
kakhulu kuyanceda
hambe ebukela lawo utshele abafana abancane bathola kwamanye advice. So that was the Warriors legends topic. Then let's get into Division 1 football. Athi wazibeni ngithanda ukuthi
siqede zigagaka
phela wena ngaba bayabe Chiefs ababethile ukuthi sifunga umuzi machiza namhla yathi but we're not controversial, we're just building xa kubi madoda lana we Chiefs xa lezi zinto ezimbi but ay Chiefs amadoda haya. Big up to Bulawayo Chiefs CEO Javas Banda. Now I understand why umntwana wahamba umlanda ku Scotland. Javas ayibhoza mntana.
Ibhoza uthi uyazufisa ukuthi ngawo national team badinga abantu kanjani we Javas babafakela kuma setup lana. Uyabona
vele we need Javas abantu.
Kakhulu especially eBhoreni lethu leli.
We need Javas
kakhulu nje. They give football ihope yani nzima. Uyabona even la down uyabona but
Jay,
big
up to
international.
Big up to Bulawayo Chiefs CEO Javas Banda.
It's international.
Outplaying.
For
the love of the game.
Exactly. But the funny part umuntu wabona ibhola lidlala. But the way I understand ngayo, the way afuna abantu benze ngayo into yebhola, uyabona? Something else.
Into yakhuluma ngoJose Mourinho.
Uyabo?
Yakhuluma ngoMourinho. Kwesikhathi uyabengce wadlala maybe ngce isikwakweni wafuna wafisa ukudlala but uthando asikuthi ungadlala ibhola uyaba blind maybe awukwazi everything.
Never.
You understand? So into ekhuluma because it's so profound.
Never. Because isikhathi uyaba lothando lento ukhatshana la ubona but into le I can develop it.
Yes.
Even mina ngiyekho njani ngiyo engazange ayidlala but I can make someone better ngayo.
Pick up to Javas. I'm taking my head off my brother. Outline. Abangawaziyo in context nje ukuthi isikhuluma ngani. What we saw eBulawayo Chiefs bra emagamini nje ungahambe Chiefs village is transformed. eBulawayo Chiefs ungabo immediate team eBulawayo Chiefs is on point. Team order everything is on point. Uyabona ama supporters they appreciate this is bona emazweni ucoach omutsha wabiswe ama supporters waqakezelwa wa-announce ku PA system things that ama team is small things that teams take for granted.
Like anyone team ya DEPA yabona ngefana national anthem awumelanga lihlabelele set proper.
So nalihamba kwamanye ama-game
Ufika uhlabela yasichaye one verse mdala amayelana usawazi kusiya phezulu alimele ibe le-3 amavesi mdala ushichaye one mdala
awambulala. Lawo sayichaza.
no wayichavi nokuthi kathi
Uthi Michael Lisa uthi bethi
lihlabelela nyathini kodwa teyibhola libizwa ukuhlabela national anthem kuba nzima.
But that's division football for teams you learn from Blanche.
Akakhulu
ama-replica
otepu bakhona bacele PA system bekhulume lana PA system media house konke mdala ikhona mnje
tape ikhona do all those things. Phela thola amanye ama-team alama-photo nje so kumele ukhitshe i-picture.
Somele ukhitshele kubo Black Chiefs mawudlala Black Chiefs la ungani uyama umachisa uthi nansi yami picture.
But you can always come through ukuthi studio sikushayela ama-photo shoot usikhathi even emagameni usithi shoot ama-team linga division 1 football. So we want to fix ibhola lezi. Let's copy into enhle from
professional football.
You understand? Ujava sakwenza umsebenzi awenza mkhulu kakhulu to the ground.
Yeah.
Well played, as I said, siqalisa show. Well played. Lali 1-1 first half. Bakungenisa. But mana singabi lokho ngokwenu ngale dressing room. Bakungenisa wavusa team la wina 3-1. It's all I can say. La wina 3-1. It's all I can say. Bara nime khona la wina 3-1. Then we also saw this is a sad note, bro. Very sad note. Our former team.
Very yabona akuyenzakala kwamba. It's wrong. It's very very wrong.
Disappointing.
Yabona ngathi sesiku-sad note.
Sesiku-sad note. So
but it's wrong. Kumele belungise.
Black ibuyile all the way from Wange. It izodlala le Ajax or Spurs. Ajax or Spurs bayichaye uKhovi ku-home.
Ajax did not even book ground.
They failed to book ground. Karimalini was it? So $60.
$60.
They failed to pay $60. But babe announce ukuthi ngani ukuthi sponsor labo sebe appear office le tape 3. Ngani so
sebecebeza zakhona sithi everything is in order. But I think
everything is in order.
Abalungisisi.
They should
abalungisisi.
get there.
If uthomba isponsor sabo singekho akuhle kukhulu umuntu asikho.
And asifuna ukummention ukuthi simnike airtime ka deserve.
Vela kuyeni because lokho sikhuluma ngayo lokho siyaphezulu.
Ka deserve.
So vele nxa ingekho kakho kudinga umunye ozakwanisa ubuye encedise because imagine ukuthi abafana yona leyana already play clock very one. Just to come
esithi mana nizodlala
uyabona at the end of the day akula game akula bantu uyabo it's wrong
alokhana
it's wrong akakhulu. I think kumele bebone plan ngabe Ajax as fast as they can because it's wrong for football. Let's be honest, it's wrong because division 1 wethu bekhanya la ukuthi but
sokushape
iyashape ama-team kanjani
ane odonkayi
wonke uyabona
ama-team
but at the end of the day kathi sokusiba le hokho
obulawa Warriors sebeza ama-team sokusibani
siba
le hokho isitayile sekhwekhwele
sesikhuluma ngaso ukuthi hayi asikufuni vele kungayenzakala
asikufuni
mawungela cela
nxa ungela kumbe uhle uthengisa i-franchise ungabi khona
kuphela
ngoba into ezinjalo
asifunakali.
So that's what transpired ku-Southern region. Good and yabona i-construct yakhona ngapha siqeda ukuthi siyabuka nice so ngamanye ama-results nje sibone le Wange idliwa
idliwe 2-1
iWange idliwe 2-1 so ilokhu e-Southern region ime so iBulawayo Chiefs back on top and 23 points. Inkai is now second on 22 points. Then iWange is now third on 20. Same number of points le Bulawayo Warriors. That's Southern region. Then we go to Central region. Lapho angungozi umdala. Ungozi umdala. Doing well.
Yeah, he's
doing a good job.
Yeah, he's doing a good job.
Because Iadrok, as we said, it's not a small team. A team is serious.
It's serious.
Team yakhe stadium ku Division 1. Ifuna ukuya ku
Premier League. I think Ungozo is doing a very
ngizoma ama-support yayo in the city nxa kuyenza abamceli ezo-replace uKhaini
bamceli
ngoba bathi umsebenzi awenza ukhona unga-check-a with limited resources
mdala
first time ukuthi bedlale
u-D1 mdala yikho vele ngikutsho and ngala lokhu zenini liyani ukuthi sithi ama-players alawo uyabona lokho nto sithi asabisa and stuff hayi
complain
usithethele bona laba labo wasibhildela kuhle isquad sakhe everything is okay yabo
so ku Central region iLokhuzeni iGwanda Pirates ibambe iAdrock 1-1 then obviously iShesham is running away la idle iTongogara 2-1 iChapungula some of the results just to mention a few so ilok table yabo iShesham is still running away with 36 points iAdrock ngemva kobanjwa ngoNgozo they are now 3 points behind
they are now 3 points behind
iShesham on third position iGwanda Pirates kaNgozo ile game yabo lana eMaglas okay bengayi resolve on 27 points yabo so that's iLokhuzeni. Let's go to up north where we saw Imombela still doing well. Imombela idlishamva mine 1-0 then iLokhuzeni there's a team also enhlala ngibona khona phana enza sharp iAgama the Black Rhinos iAgama idliwe iCranbourne iCranbourne Bullets
Agama ucoach kathi kachiya
Agama
ngizotho ucoach uchi Agama
idliwe iCranbourne Bullets 1-0 so kuhle kwa affecta iLok standing Imombela ngiyazibuza ukuthi Scott uzayenza team le ngangena zingaba yi2 ku league but anyway that's a story for another day. Imombela is now leading 5 points is now on 36 points followed by Black Rhinos on 31. Agama is now third on 29. Yeah. Then there is also Oporube to be East. That's the last part of iLokhuzeni. D1. Itenex is still doing well there. Loki leader on 31 points followed by iHunters.
Ngingabona uthiwa ingani siphezulu mntana.
iHunters. Uncheke. Kwasto unchekele kuhle iLok
yeah I think
sithole Lokhuzeni
because iLok iHunters idli iTenex 1-0.
Oh yes.
Idli iTenex 1-0.
Yes. So
isiphezulu iHunters ile 32 then iTenex ile 31 but
le game in end Tenex le game in end
bisilandelo emaswingo ile 29 points
le 29 emaswingo so
so uchomo wakho wangu mazothi chomo wakho number 9
lona sitshali la wakuwambowa nje yakutshela baba so that's Eastern region then sihle from there iLokhuzeni I have to double check but that's it for Eastern region. As check ama midweek games PSL or before we go to the results there were two incidents that happened midweek Premier Soccer League angamphathanga sharp. There was a rumor or is alleged ukuthi Scotland ibifuna ukuthenga igame eGreenfield. Asikwazi how true is that, but there was a rumor that was circulating
ukuthi ngani bafuna ukuphiwa nesilver platter.
You understand? Kwangani oyinto okhona ngani kuyavalwa ngana ukuphuma ngasha but there was that rumor into lana ayizange imphathisha is paid for
football akakhulu is paid so Kuyose ungasela used ukutrain asetrainelayo.
Because into le bathi ike yayenzakala beku-Division 1 eScotland bengani yathenga
ama-game
sebefuna ukuyibisa ku-Premier sebezobolisa ibhola le-Premier
Premier
League. I
League.
think if there was such a case it should be investigated
kakhulu. Yizo izinto kumele zikhanyelwe ngoba khathi uyathenga njani
hayi
uthenga ama-player uthenga nama-game ngcono ungasathenga ama-player
ngcono uthenge vele iligi
yankulu siza lesikwazi ukuthi esikodleni sikheri.
But ngakuthanda ukuthi it was alerted before igame yadlala. Ngani kulo munye
owabona fast kulo muntu owabona plus vele abantu ngathi I think ama-team onke versus Scotland sebesibalela ukuyilokhuzeni indokwana ukuthi bebe alert ukuthi even around eteamini akula muntu ongani ufuna ukuyenza something uyabona ukuthi be-avoid ukuthi amanjani igame ithengwe. Yeah, so I think ama-team are-serious phela kulama ama-team ayo-serious but i-team serious ayikuvumeli khona. Abavumi vele ukuthi abantu awudliwe eground fair bhora liphela abantu bedliwe fair.
So then another incident also ngeScotland ama-supporter eScotland athi amapholisa
ngabona with this stage ukuthi i-technology isi-right ihlithatha
i-social media
very fast akula ukuthi uzawucatshiswe fast sebekhiphile sebebonile
labo bathi beyibona
wabona wabhala i-statement akade
akusacatsheki
kade sawusacatsheki
akucatsheki. So after kwenzakala i-incident yenalana iScotland yakhipha ilokhuzeni i-statement regarding that issue. Bathi bona Scotland Football Club strongly condemns any and all acts of violence that occurred following our recent match against Greenfield. And khona abantu it is alleged ukuthi igame bayifuna ukuyithenga. Then kwasukuba lo msindo sebechavu ukuthi amapholisa yabo ngama-supporter eScotland yabo. But bona as a club i-statement sabo si-proper. Football is a game built on passion, unity and the spirit of fair play. At least they know. At least they know the spirit of fair play. We need the spirit of fair play. While emotions often run high during and after matches, we must never allow these sentiments to give rise to hostile aggression or disorderly conduct in any form. Scotland Football Club expresses deep regret that the day's events were made by scenes that do not reflect the values of our club, our supporters, or the beautiful game. We remain committed to fostering a safe and inclusive environment for all our fans, players, and officials, whether at home or away fixtures. While we are reviewing the incident and will continue to engage with the relevant authorities to fully understand the circumstances, we must be clear. Violence has no place in our football. We've always said
that.
Violence has no place. And bribery and match fixing also has no place in our football.
Into yefamily uyabona. So asozinto zokuthi yona imagine ungubaba ndoda ususilwe ebhoreni.
That is why it's called the beautiful game.
Exactly.
You understand? So statements about we urge all supporters of Scotland Football Club and our counterparts across the league to uphold the integrity of the game, respect fellow fans, and represent their clubs with dignity and restraint. Scotland Football Club will continue to cooperate with league officials and stakeholders and to ensure appropriate measures are taken to prevent any recurrence of such incidents. Together, let us protect the game we love. This is a well-articulated statement.
Yeah, true.
Kuhle lokho.
Yeah, it's nice.
Ikho esikufunayo ebhoren. Then to the business of the Castle Premier Soccer League, the result that the matches that were played rather during the week. So ZPC the drawing 1-1
the tail one but badlala ZPC
away from
home Besivela ulose F4 and they are playing an informed team.
Till one is on form. It was a good result for Kariba. Then at Rufaro Stadium also saw another draw. The Rentals and FC Platinum played to a goalless draw.
It's a shocker. Play Platinum is cruise.
Yes.
Because by very often noti.
There's a city bar win. Especially under the Rentals on the
first half is done.
It's either you draw Bali. Then Sakuva Stadium Linda ihambe umanika
ngenye show kama nje. Nansi this step draw.
Iwini ayele disishoka.
Ishoka no, desakufa no. Ngala kupunywa mtala nga.
Iwini ayele disishoka. So here we saw Rangers defeating Imanika Diamonds.
But good result for them away.
But got to shuka.
Shuka.
Then Green Fuel the Scotland the alleged bench is Kluba they drew 2-2 last minute equalized Green Fuel. We also saw Linot breaking the tag.
Confidence against
match week 16 last year's top goal scorer.
Last year we said I saw 8-7.
Wahlala 7.
I think why was 7.
But then was an increaser. Second half as it went by. So we saw Lino scoring the draw 2-2. Then team of the moment, Joel Lupata is on form. Joel Lupata is on form. Ewatana Simba defeated Ilokuzen, Ipikita Minerals 1-0. Then Eluveve Stadium finally. Finally, bra. Umkunguru wekopora.
Tikeli yawida wo.
Umpepe. Kubuli kopora dala nje. Umkunguru akati ikopora yini. Waphulula nje. Anje azabe cha member. Abe cha ma tight akela. Waphulula nge-tight. But finally 3 points at home. Ngawuthanda lo ke.
Vele nje. Wesibecha Ingezi not just a team.
Ndoda Ingezi yabuya. Defense chicken abavala nje yena lo mfana odla uBhebhe is one defender to watch.
Uyama mfana lo nguyengwazi lokho vele ngiyakuthemba ikona utshwani
wakutholisa nzima yini
lokho ngadlala lakho ikona utshwani ngadlala lakho uyama
ndoda wama bamdefender nje uDonovan wama Ingezi yathe akwayana ingezi yathe uTrinda wathe but Dara Chimbomira. So those were games that we played in Wednesday. Then on Thursday with 3 matches which saw it talking about the Dynamos before we get to Thursday's results. Team to comedy came phela mdala Wednesday.
So imali Jabafana ngo6 wathi hayi ama-chance asibuyeleni siyabuyena nekuseni.
What's happening to the former Zimbabwe Giants?
Something is wrong lama.
Umarosi kachiyane kabisela team ebantwini.
Something is wrong. But manje uyabona into ekhona nje. Into engiyakho ukuthi uphonga uyichiya
as a owner.
Yabona. But I think yena iboard alayo and is not backing up. Uyabona into njengayona le because wena as an owner ulabantu baqatshileyo ukuthi beyenza izinto sinjani
umsebenzi ubelula
because iDynamos vele wena i-team liyani yokuthi wena lawo bengakuqhatsha ukuthi yenza into zenzakala fast ngoba igcwele abantu abaningi abayithandayo indaba le mali uyabona
that's why they posting phela ukuthi bale 7 million supporters
so mayabona bathi uMairo thina abantu abaqhatshayo yibo bangayisiwo Kuma supporters sithi hayi thina alright asifuni laba uyabo because awunye uxotshe owner akuvumi hayi uxotshe ukhoza
ndoda cabanga iDynamo iswele 1.2 ngoba thi loji lena
ngizothi ngafuna 1.2 but kungi
iDynamos iswele 1.2
ikona konke kulomunye olele emsebenzini
understand
kulomunye olele emsebenzini
impinga zikhipha ngayo imali eharara
zikhipele wayilenda thina
ochiva bekhipha ama-million kwayilenda so nje akula
umuntu one
ofisa ungacela already uchiva ethi amdala kumru kamitha nesu
kulo munye olala emsebenzini uDynamos
ngoba
is killing that club.
It was paid use lezi ngazwa ngeThursday ngale izolo bekuyahlila i-team ayisakhempanga but funny enough ibhora ngafuna ibhora lifana
bahle bayawina
bamba bawina bengakhempanga bevele kunzimeni
bengakhiphi
so iDynamos ngeThursday yamba yadlala igame yadla iyada 1-0 then the game of the week as I had said iMozi yadla iCaps 2-1 then iTriangle wina 3 kuKhwekwe. Genesis is doing well. So that those are the midweek fixtures. Then let's quickly go into the weekend fixtures. Before sikhayela tobe ama weekend, what caught your attention nge weekend just nje i-weekend nje nale going into the weekend fixtures?
Mini weekend le into engiyibonile uyabona ingezi intshengise something. They're a good team.
Proper.
Yeah, they're a good team.
Proper.
They're a good team because ungabona i-team ekwanisa ukuthi idle iMozi 3 something esangutshela manga senhle ngabona already ukuthi labo yabele ngakadingi ukuyilokhu zenini kwewin i-consistency liyana uyabona. But they're a really good team.
Ngezi ngayibona Vesa Chicken that team lana is good there.
Nice.
Team lana yachuva there.
Plus lo Twambani iSimba Bora. Simba Bora uyabona isquad sawo siqinile. Especially uyabona manje yabona isquad sabo lapha esiqine khona i-critical lapha ama team abenjani abengaqinanga khona wona. Uyabona bona ku midfield i-3 zeze midfield Simba iqinile mdala. Baqinile kulapha abadla khona abantu manje. Badla khona abantu khona bana vele and bale one good strike eseMalawi.
Mnamibia akayenzi buzu atakazakuwa neteam
Jota lona akayenzi ndoda
waqojiswa wathi umsebenzi
lo imborelazi
alo blind
yona usemsebenzini manje
wabuzodinga imali so let's singene kiwo ama game ange weekend. Saturday there were games on Saturday before we look at the Sunday games. At least guys say amana siqine ngeshoka.
Alright.
ZPC Kariba drew also there. Is slowly become a draw specialist.
Bona antu andile abantu ukuthi first Africa ngabayekela asebeli dawu.
It's done.
It's done.
Then Bikita Minerals beat Manica Diamonds 1-0. Manica losing 2 games in a row. From Udjwai Island to Udjwai Bikita, same scoreline.
Mina angwazi Manica ohamba njani because they have a good squad.
Then to Ishoka yakho ke.
Mdala.
I don't think anyone expected this.
Vele ndo. Tawahlohla mazingeneli khona.
And I guess who scored?
Banashe
Mtaza. Coincidence yakho. Umtaza wathafona umntana akho mfana wangu.
Khona ngicela ufeature
uma. How he cross? Dropping cross from the right side. Awukhore kalibonanga. Why? So he tell one beating Scotland 1-0. Kwenzakala uScotland. So yiko manje sebezama imshikashi.
Into yazi nganazi hambi kuhle. Ngingabona enye post besithi hayi ama support sithi hayi ngoNdiriyas ngeke start. Ngicela usicelele umtasa kubothi.
But man ngendlela ade ezama ngakubuild i-team it will be difficult. Mdala nxa uthenge 20 so
vele i-team lana is hard mdala, to be honest it's hard because ukuthi ephonga ufika kujela uyabona kuchiyene le Mosi imozi umuntu esabantu lana uqalise lawo uyabona but yena manje abantu laba batsha ikubona wazama ukuthi ezama ukuthatha abanenga kuSimba ukuthi maybe ngali combination kanjani yafika isigoqo but kulabanye futhi abavela kwenye culture abanye uyabona Thailand abanye everywhere mdala so vele kunzima ngabona ukukhuluma abantu abanjani abana big names asomabizo amancane lapha so vele kunzima mdala
ukuthi ama ego
uyabona so as a coach uma uqalisa want to control ama ego abantu concentrate ekubambaniseni abantu concentrate emagemini
issue Dopi uthi umember uyathi hayi asifakeni ubani
anjalo uyabona ngokunye futhi uyacontribute uyabona so vele I think kuyamthathela isikhathi
bebe nqayikho bengamcoci ngoba bamtshela kwesisikhathi uthi hayi
plus wona uzamxoxa njani ndoda kuyabe kunzima lapha
and laphana kuyachisa la but ngabe wayekela uGenesis that one was a good coach
kakhulu and but antu yabona ukuthi kuyasokuthiwa experience efunakalayo for those
uGenesis wayevela ku Dynamos
ngithi maybe
ama players bangenisa ngesitayela sabo even bangena isitayela sabo but the fact ukuthi wabangenisa ngamba mchiya even bemthengela ama stars and I think wayeza wa manage ngoba khayela uyehluleka phela uStanza
mina I think konkhona vele wena ngawuthi wayefuna ileague vele ileague yabe ifuna into eziningi mdala ileague vele not ukuthi usithi amabizo uyawuthatha ileague
hayi amabizo uyawuthatha ileague then let's go to the weekend fixtures my guy eGibo what a game triangle yabona uGenesis esikhuluma ngayo
ndamdala
I think this is the first time
the same players phela mawufunga ubona
bona labantu
babephansi
those
that were struggling
imagine
wina 5
Greenfield is a good side mdala first half was only 4 first half 4 I was like ondoda laba
uthi ngayisikwedle ngasithi bakapa but
6 points
ngeviki mdala it was a good week for them
for it was a good week for
team of the moment hiyo
Simba mdala Simba
abasisibala ama goals
amagobora but Simba ithatha ama points
ayathatha
igame abayidlale hathi le yada yambe yawina iSimba 1-0
khathi ndiyathengiswa mnta free kick
enhle njani and kona amaphezu wayekhala sithi eZimbabwe abantu abahloza hlohla ama free kick
ndoda free kick good free kick
uthi free kick enjani ndoda clean nice one
iyada phela iyathengiswa phela
iyada magaya
asayifuni
manje iHeart Stadium yenzani
angazi ufuke yenza vele angi understand ukuthi why isayithengisa
uzozondela into elana ama 5 O's
kanye ze concentrate ama stadium
but it's good business for ama stadium ngani nguye yakhalise seYard Rock lo mfana ke lo Chawanda so iSimba Joel uphahla amazing job issue sakhuluma ngayo give ucoach ungaphonga ukuthi ucoach after 3 games umasembele team usumcoach
usithi akasayinika
6 points
6 points
ngabuza phela ama supporter lokhuzeni eSimba issue la le beqeda ukudla ile njalo wacheka kuphazemu special uzabizwa besithi hayi thina sayizi khuluma into enjalo ngabantu abesiba overzealous thina vele uJoel uphahla siyamfuna vele
hayi naseyitshintshile team
blind
seyitshintshile
umzwile press conference utheni expect more there is more to come ngoba i-team yami seyingibambile
yabona
first half of the season
ngimbone ehlupha usiya phambili
then Caps yazidlela ikhwekhwe struggling khwekhwe hayi khwekhwe kunzima mdala
hayi khwekhwe kunzima asazi maybe
hayi akusela hayi khwekhwe akusela into eyenzakalayo lapho
kusela
then ingezi izitshayele mdala eMozi Chirinda back
ohlohlo
press
hayi kubona konke kungutshela konke good team la
ingezi as a good team.
Ingezi
a good side. Mayibona just unfortunately udliwa yi-Chicken Inn. Because i-Chicken Inn vele yahle chayilo block enye enzima. Uthi vele make sure.
Laba bafuna win. Wawayenza.
Ungabona sidla imozi
3-1.
I think this is the first time they've conceded 3. Imozi first loss. And cabanga nje.
Hayi Jovi.
Then elokhuzeni eBabaville Stadium. Eish. As like time abantu babe sithi mephenqa isondi amathima akobulawa. But that was a boring derby, boss.
Yeah, it was a boring derby.
Very boring derby.
Abantu bakhalile ungabona ama supporter wonke lana yayilende ephuma wonke esondile vele ngafuna ukuzwa yahle ubona that there is something is wrong.
And
it's not about maybe ukuthi ama results wathi bona abantu babelanda beautiful football. So bengabona ungayenzakali khonokho bahle bezonda abantu.
At least drawn with dignity.
Exactly.
The draw lani ibhore ukhanya ukuthi liyenzani.
Abantu lawo bephume besithi but asidrawile bazamile abafana but lapha manje babebona kula lutho.
Abe kunzima. The last game abandoned match.
Eish. It's wrong. Sasa khuluma ngakho futhi lokho.
Yes, kakhulu.
It's wrong.
Uyakwazi kwenziwa kwini? Zifa in PSL. So PSL rather.
Mina I think uyabona eZimbabwe it's now easy to blame ref than to blame ourselves as teams. Uyabona? Because lona la ngumuntu ndo.
Says ukuthi yena umuntu Tobi. Ama team afundiswe bele code of conduct. Ama players ebekwa kungayenza even uvela phezulu.
Yiko phela ngikutsho ukuthi thina sesibalekela thina irresponsibility. Sesifuna ukuthi sivalise irresponsibility ngoref.
You understand?
Uyabona? Because to be honest iva yayehluleke enye decision but ibhora liyadlala
many times we've seen it many times. Yeah.
So imagine xa iva isehluleka what more yena center ref. Uyabona? Plus konke ama team ipressure yankona ngiyokuthi bengabona ukuthi ngurefu lo uthiwa nguDirwayo lo
but ukwedisayile bese ufuna ukubuya khona.
Uyabona into engiyitsho yena bengahle bebona ukuthi nguye bese ethi phena bese besithi akula wena. Uyabona?
But uyakhumbula uthi umuntu osike sakhuluma ngayo.
Sike sakhuluma ngayo.
How many abandoned matches is it?
Lokala 2.
Ngesithulo
ngesithulo.
And Chicken Inn le Scotland nguye futhi. But yena I think uromnyama
because he's doing the right
ungathi uyacheck is right decisions.
Yena umnyama lawo ngokuthi ama right decision la wayenza ibhora liphela.
Mtala kanti kulesikhathi nokuthi uchacha nini
thina yiyo manje problem mentality yangayo ukuthi unganika umuntu iphena nge90 minutes uyawungani uthengiwe. But ibhora vele i90 minutes any decisions can make nge90 minutes.
Yikho mina yothe sengena khona ukuthi iPremier Soccer League ayifake ama lokhuzeni ama penalties astif lokana ukuthi kuba nzima ukuthi ama teams ayenze into yena leya. Andabona ngabe kuChicken Inn le issue lena bayi resolve faster
ngalokho akwenza. Kela resebe le 2 ma issue
at-hand. Chicken Inn how long have they taken to resolve?
I saw this week. I think this week 26 26
but it's over a month over a month to resolve something that omeli yazala ukuthi isizini iqalisa kuhle uthiwa alright madod
team enza so ayihle said that deduct ama points osiyenza
it's that simple bro.
10 points ya deduct umuntu okha away of ground of game 10 points siyathatha
ngapha ifuna ifine inxa ingakabhadalwa before igame ukhoza umbali dlali
simple
kuhle kube nzima for teams ukuthi yenze ukuzamba
I think 10 points is right because 10 points is nengi ihamba ku relegation lihamba ku relegation ahle liphume
exactly
because lokho is easy mtala imali lakho it's easy mtala I don't wanna lie ungazi ukuthi 20,000 abantu bashingirira bedinga 20
anti
uyabona but ama points uyathatha ama-points uyathatha
ama-points
ngawo,
ngiwathatha.
uyabona? So
Ngiyawathenga.
awuthengi ama-points. So
Uqinisile,
sithi ungathiwa
Topi.
10 points ngayo i-points and abantu bebekwazi 10 points plus zona lezi 3 points abazawuthathela
No
yona 3 points.
negotiations.
No negotiations.
We can't have matches being abandoned
Because issue
day
abandoned.
in day out.
Kanyela wena anti i-team inga-abandon i-game akula singahamba kwi-hearing akula ezawuthi replay
Hayi.
akula akuzathiwa replay vele kuzadlala uyabo so ukuthathela abantu ama-points so abantu sebebona ngani it's easy
uze nenye. Uze nenye vele bathatha ama-points.
ama-points
Angutsheli
athathe
mama.
kuphela
Behle bethathe 15. Behle beyabona
isizini mayiqalisa sithi madoda
if you walk away.
if you walk
15
away
points.
wethu refu benjani
Asila ndaba.
play under protest simple
Kuphela.
siye phambili
Vele you should play under protest.
kuphela
Selibhala incwadi after match commissioner bakhona.
Exactly.
Everyone is there.
Is there.
These days with video footage siyabona.
The funny part le awula ama-support angene ground
Hayi.
uyabona
Ama-players phumela. Check 75 minutes. There's still plenty of time.
Eh.
Lincane ngabantu bebhora.
plus ipena sokobhora
Iphena sokubhora. It's not guaranteed.
it's not guaranteed
It's not guaranteed.
ipena is not a gobhora
It's just-
uyabona
And to me into efana omnye i-coincidence othi sikhuluma ngoDeroy. Utsho mntwana yena olomnyama nje ukuthi ama-match aba in charge of agcina
ama-high profile matches
ama-high profile. It says something ngimuthi I think utsho mntwana is a good ref.
vele is a good ref
Is a good ref.
is a good ref
Because ungachecka
why bemfaka ama-game
ama-game now. I think utsho mntwana is a good ref.
but konkhwana ukuthi yabona ukuthi okuyi-syndrome lokhwana ukuthi i-dynamos they are struggling my guy and they are struggling and it's 1-1 and kube le phena iphena lana babone ngani asophena uyabona sebesithi it was a straight
clean penalty. Means find the video. I think I've got the video. Put it for our viewers. It's a clean penalty. It's a clean penalty.
So bona they thought ukuthi but awuref lo ngcono hle siphume eground ngoba ukuthi siluze ngapha le pressure esinjani esilayo akuyenzi uyabona so ngcono bethathela ama-points ofisi
15 points. Ayifaka umthetho. Abafaka umthetho i-PSL please be serious ngento ngoba we can't be having games abandoned every week.
Diablo sithi Zimbabwe khathi
Ubonile serious journalist
Miki wonke umuntu
uhle wayifaka wathi kuyasiyangisisa
vele akuyenzi
esikhayelana ibhola leZimbabwe
yabo so I think abalungisisi i-PSL
ngoba vele nje kulama stakeholders sebelokhu esikhala why abantu bengafuna corporate ukuthi ngafuna ubuye ebhola. Things like this.
Exactly.
It's things like this.
Yiko ama-sponsor engasoke ebuye ngoba besithi but njani
ngcolisa ibizo.
Uzothiwa iCastle laka Castle
yagcina
pulled out because the 2 abandoned matches plus i-walkover
2025 professional setup
ibhora ndoda sokule club world cup kathesi ndo thina sifuna ukuyakhona ngalo sihamba njani sihambe
yabona yiko sasibhana yasithatha izinto serious angutsheli mangu. Anyways Topi singakhuluma lize liphuma ndaba. Let's look at the log standings. We saw nge-6 points lezi abazithethe over the weekend. The course of the week iSimba Borihle yaphezulu 35 points. Moz is now second, same number of games, 34 points. Inform team esingakhulumi ngayo esingayikhangelanga yabo Washington Navaya 10-1 third position. I-team le ndoda 28 points 17 games played. Isixokozela emsindweni.
Hayi sikhona pha.
Then Scotland dropped to fourth. Bale game yabo lana in question le chicken in though. Then sembe sekhayela then bemfuna sehle sekhayela phansi. Mboni yayelinda isiku 9. Number 9. It's on 23 points. It's bad. Then look at what 3 points does to Kali Triangle mntana.
Ngiyayibona ntweni.
Triangle sukuma even though iku-relegation
but
it's telling a different story ukuthi nxa sezichibilike izadla amateam amaningi
ingazwineli next game le sihambile
yebe seduze labo ayileni. So phansi the relegation threatened teams are as follows. Triangle number 15 on 16 points, Dynamos number 16 14 points, ibambene le yada bona phana zibambene 17 14 points, then ikhwekhwe lokhu ithwele nzima on 8 points yethwele zonke. Top goal scorers charts, Washington Avaya I think seku 10. Washington Avaya is on 10. Billy Veremo kahlohlanga is still on 9. So Washington Avaya laphana uvule igap. Lesibona labo Chirinda sebeqasa ungani bahlohla
zokhanya
oma ninja lokho bemile ku4 zabo let's look at the fixtures for the upcoming games, and it says Chibili. It's now the second round. Second round of fixtures. So eZimbabwe I think ama fixture ahle aqalise ngendlela aqalisa ngayo. Alokhuza akula back to back. Yebo aqalisa ngendlela agcina ngayo. Like unga-check for instance iElenders yaqalisa le Mozan. So kale ku week 18 which is this weekend. You will see which Islanders will be playing in Papa Fields. So like
that.
So the fixtures are as follows. Tail 1 will be playing here Rentals. What's your prediction for this one?
Tail 1.
It's on 4 man.
It's on 4.
Then ZPC Karipa is playing Dynamos.
Karipa.
Then I think this will be game of the week. Simba taking on Platinum Mandam.
But in former Simba and Simba straight.
I see it true. I see it true. Did you see the Rokuti Platinum Stars is the only team. Is the only team that even lost. As it's fun, but they've even lost. Then Yata is taking on Manika. Yata is not doing well.
It's not
the Manika until they lost 2 games.
So
then Islanders is taking on Moors at Papa Fields Stadium. They continue with that. What's your prediction?
Moors is straight. We thought also I think Moors.
Not giving them a chance.
Moors.
Moors. So I did a take on Moors at Papa Fields Stadium. Then the Pikita Minerals is taking on Chicken Inn.
I pick it.
Draw. I see a draw.
Pick it up.
Gives the Platinum Stars in quick. It's obvious. It's obvious. Cape United, they Greenfield.
But
Cape's on 4.
Cape's is I think it's a draw.
Possible
but
draw.
We are in Greenfield. Cape's
it's a Rufar.
Cape's.
I think Cape's will take this one. Cape's on form. Then the last game is Triangle versus Scotland. Okay, this is a form so. I'm putting my head on the block for this one. I'm giving it to Triangle. 1-0. I'm going to tell you, man.
Really?
Yes. I'm done. Where's Bamgush?
It's a good one.
This will be a good game. So those are the fixtures for this coming weekend. Match day 18. I think that's it for this week. Please, guys, like, subscribe, share, and yes, and also the coming weekend we'll be starting to announce our upcoming shows. I mean, why Deb 3 days, but banyenyezela indlebeni kwathiwa kukhona okwenzakala. Then ngitshele labana ama team ngalama photo ukuthi hayi kule studio kule media team efuna umsebenzi. You can always contact Deb 3 on the numbers on your screen la kulokhuzini. Across all social media platforms.
Exactly.
Lawe wena ofuna ukwenzela umsebenzi uyachadisa ule party umntwana ufuna ama-picture ufuna i-PA system
Photoshoot,
you understand all those
zibuyele bekuthwebule abafana.
come through Deb 3. Please remember to like, subscribe, share, and let's engage on the comment section. To be any last words?
Akhulumani lathi, please subscribe and share bafowethu. Itshela abanye abangabukeliyo bebukele madoda. Hayi siyabonga.
Siyabonga guys. See you next time.